Hello and welcome to Flavors of Happiness. Today we are going to make the protein-packed Paneer Tikka sandwich that's pretty easy to put together and makes for a healthy and delicious meal any time of the day. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now let's get started. To make Paneer Tikka sandwich, take a bowl and add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. In case you do not have Greek yogurt, you can use 1/4 cup of hung curd. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed carom seeds, 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/3 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Now add 100 grams of paneer cut into small cubes, 1 small onion finely chopped, and half a capsicum finely chopped. Give it a good mix. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Now take a frying pan and add 3 teaspoons of refined oil. Heat it up on medium flame and add the marinated paneer mixture. Saute the mixture till it loses some of its moisture. This should take you around 4 to 5 minutes. Transfer the mixture into a bowl. Then add around half cup of grated processed cheese. Mix it well and set aside. Now let's prepare the sandwiches. So I have 8 slices of whole wheat bread, the prepared paneer tikka filling, some tomato ketchup, some mint coriander chutney. You can watch my chutney special video for the recipe of mint coriander chutney, and some butter. Take a slice of bread and apply some butter. Flip it and apply the green chutney. Add the paneer tikka filling. On another slice of bread, apply tomato ketchup. Flip it and place it over the filling. Apply some butter on top. Prepare the other sandwiches in similar fashion. Now take a tawa or a frying pan and grease it with a bit of butter. Heat it up on low flame and place a sandwich. Wait till the sandwich browns. This should take you around 2 minutes. Now flip it and let the other side brown. Sandwich is done. Transfer it to a plate. Delicious Paneer Tikka sandwiches are ready to be served. If you like this recipe, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.